Hello and welcome back to another Shadow Knight Airsoft video. I've had some computer technical problems, but now we are back up and running again. This is going to be some gameplay footage of me using one of my gas blowback pistols at Paintball Station down in Mount Vernon, Washington. I'd like to take a minute to thank all of my viewers for supporting this channel and hope you enjoy this video.
I can't revive you. Remember, we gotta go spawn back to the Japanese flag. With 4 people. Hit! He's doing cover fire. I'll go take him out. Tell me when I'm gonna go kill him.
Where are you gonna go?
I'm gonna go around.
There's fire coming off this side off to your right. I don't know who's shooting them. We're reviving the flag! Flags are right side. Everyone just fucking rush them. No, everyone flags are left side. Both flags are right here. Yeah. Both flags are on this side. Guys, be defensive. Be defensive. Oh my goodness, you broke. Go, go, go! Cover! Come on, just right almost up. Stop shooting me, guys. Hit! Dead man walking! Where are they?
Got 2 sitting right back here. I can't see the sniper.
There's a sniper.
I'm shooting you. Hey, bro. I'm shooting you with my handgun. Can't hit him. They're moving, they're moving! Yeah!
If you enjoyed this video, go on over and smash that like button, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel to see more videos like it.
That's my fault, I walked in front.